Today, I'm going to help you fix the deceptive site ahead notice on your website. Google's search engine thrives because it provides relevant and helpful results to search queries. If those results started spreading some virus or malware across the internet, then that would cripple their business. That's exactly why Google Safe Browsing flags your website if you have malware on it. We've been in the WordPress security business for a long time now, and the most likely reason why a website has a deceptive site ahead warning is a malware infection. Malware infected websites are used to spread viruses, keyloggers, and trojans to other devices. They can also be used to facilitate other hacks and malicious attacks. Ultimately, they are used to steal critical data like login credentials, financial information, etc. How can we remove the deceptive site ahead warning? Go to Google Search Console and head to the Security tab. Then click on the Infected Pages section. This will give you a list of all the affected pages and can help you narrow down the list of actions you'll need to take to assess the damage in the next step. Click on Learn More in the Detected Issues section and understand where the infection is. Next, check the date when Google discovered the suspicious content. You can see the exact dates next to the URLs listed in the Detected Issues section of the Security tab. Knowing when the message was triggered will help you narrow down the actions you took right before that date. Did you install a new theme, update a plugin, install new plugins? This is not always an effective way to pinpoint the malware. So if this doesn't help, then you can go to Fetch as Google for those infected pages to understand what went wrong. This should tell you more than enough about the core problem. Step 2. Remove the malware. You do need to remove the malware from your website if you want to fix the deceptive site ahead notice. A. How to clean your website with a WordPress security plugin. We highly encourage you to install a WordPress security scanner instead of using online malware scanners to remove malware from your website. Now there are two ways to handle this. Clean your website using a WordPress security scanner and cleaner. Clean your website manually, which is not recommended. I can't stress this enough. Don't try to secure your websites manually unless you know exactly what you're doing. I highly recommend that you sign up for our product, Malcare, instead. Full disclosure, our teams built it. So instead of selling it to you, here's a table showing why it's the best choice. Now in this tab, I have the Malcare website open. As you can see, it is used by eBay and a bunch of other known brands. But now I'm going to go to the pricing page. Here I can see that there is a free plan available which has quite a lot of features. There's a real-time firewall to protect your website, login protection, a daily malware scan to catch any hacks, vulnerability monitoring, uptime monitoring, and a few other things. So this is a great place to start off, but if you want to be really sure that you're completely secure and protected, then I would recommend getting the basic plan because now you have instant malware removal as well. So this is great if your site ever gets hacked, you can instantly remove the hack and then prevent any damage occurring to your site after that. For now, I think we'll start off with the free plan and I'll show you how to install that. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins, add new. Let's search for Malcare, and here it is. You can see it's got a lot of downloads as well. We're going to install it, activate it. Now we can see that the Malcare plugin has been activated. We'll go to a separate tab and go to the Malcare website. Now here we'll sign up by adding our email ID and password, and then we'll log into the dashboard. Now we just have to add the site URL. Now we need to add a WP admin username and password. Don't worry, Malcare doesn't store the WP admin credentials. This is a standard procedure to just install the plugin on your website. Click submit. Now the plugin installation is happening and you'll see the option to initiate a sync. So click on that and now you can see that your website is being scanned. Basically, Malcare is going through all your website's code to find any vulnerability, hacks, backdoors, basically any security concerns so that it can bring it to your notice. Now, once the scanning is over, then you're going to come to a page like this, which basically tells you whether your website has any hack or whether it is safe. So right now you can see that your website is clean and the protection has been enabled, and you can scroll across this dashboard and discover more features. Let's move on to the third step. Step 3. Submit a review request to Google for warning removal. Go to the Security Issues tab. It's time to request a review of your code from Google Search Console. Select I have fixed these issues. Describe all the actions you took in the input field. The more descriptive and clear you are, the better it is for your application. Then click on Submit Request. Finally, click the Manual Action section. Repeat the first 4 steps to resolve all your security issues on Google. The warning message won't be removed immediately. Google takes up to 3 days to review the website and remove the deceptive site ahead notice. In 1 to 3 days, you should be able to go back to your business as usual. If you still have questions, comment below and I'll answer them ASAP.